In this video, I'm going to show you how to create checkboxes that you can tick in Google Documents. So if you want to create these checkboxes like you see on the screen here that you can tick off once you've completed a task, then the first thing we need to do is just type out on separate lines our different list items. Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to type in list 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you have all of your list items on the screen like this, we're then going to highlight everything, click on the drop down next to bulleted list menu, and then select the checklist boxes. As you can see, that's automatically created these boxes, and you can see that if I tick them, it automatically marks each one off. Now, if you want to get rid of this kind of strike through line across the text, then you can do that just by highlighting everything again, right-clicking on the boxes and selecting Don't Strike Through when checked. If you want to add additional boxes to your list, then you can just press the Enter key after the last list item, and it will automatically create another one. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.